Hey everyone, welcome back to MASTERCOTUTORIALS, and it's me Siddiq Akbar here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a racing car game in scratch. Not simple, but look like something premium. Yeah, let's get into the video. And for making the game, you need some assets. I will show you what all you needed, and you can get the assets from my Scratch account. I will give the link in the description so you can easily get that project. And if you need, you can just remix from there. Okay. And here are some cars in car sprite. There are four: green, red, blue, and black, and some colliders with this. I think it's a cone or something. This is barrel can, and like that colliders, and these are the trees. And there, as you can see, this is costume, and it's perfectly matched for track 1, and same as for collider costume 1. If you switch costume 2, that's for sprite 2, that's for the track 2. There are three tracks, and for each we have colliders and sprites. Yeah, that's it. And let's get into the video, and I will show you how to do that. First I need to remix this project, I guess. Let me just go to my stuff, and I'm just, can I duplicate this? Oh damn. I think I should just wait a second, guys. I will be back. Yeah, and it's done. And you can rename this project by anything. I'm just giving car racing. Yeah, just that's enough. And as you know, there are 4 types of cars. You can choose any of the car you need. And the colliders are colliders, and this is gonna be trees. Unit of trees. If you need, you can add this. That's no problem. And there are 3 tracks. We can just switch to first one. So we are going to move to first chapter. That's why. Okay. Then yeah. And let me show you how we need to code this. For that, you just go to car. For now, we are going to add code for the car sprite. And as you know, first of all, we need this when flag triggered. Just drag this here, and as you can see, the car position is here. Mine x is equal to -179, and the y is equal to -88. So when we click flag, the car must respawn here. Then that's why I'm going to motion and just drag this, go to x and y, and place it here. And the car is now on direction 0, and yeah, that's point in direction 0, because when you resume any game or restart the game, the car still stays in the same direction. That's why we need to reset the car direction. Yeah, that's why. And we need to create a variable. Just delete this one and make a variable and give it name like speed. Yeah. Oh damn. Speed. Yeah, okay. Then drag here, set speed to 0. Yeah. Good. Then go to events. Control. Then bring forever and if, and go to sensing. Bring the key space preset instead of space, gives up arrow, and go to motions, and instead here not speed 0, speed is equal to 2. Okay. Yeah, good. Then bring this one, move 10 steps. Instead of 10 steps, you just bring speed here. Then just copy this one, duplicate, paste here. Instead of up arrow, it's gonna be down arrow, and not move speed steps. it's gonna be just -1, and I will just show you how it works. When we click up arrow, it moves. When we click down arrow, it slows and moves down. Yeah, that's what we need. Just stop this here, and we need to add the left arrow and right arrow code. Just duplicate it from here and just add here right arrow and here one left arrow. Instead of this, we need the turn right 50 degree and the left 50 degree. Instead of this 15, we just need 5. And I will just show you how it works. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it works perfectly. And next step, we need to add when the car touches these things. I think these are the barriers, and yeah, when the car touches this, the speed of the car is too low. Decrease the speed by 1, I guess. Yeah, decrease this car speed by 1. So car moves slowly when we touch this, and in the track it moves perfectly. Yeah, let's make that code. Just come here and go to control and bring if else command or control block. Then just we need some operators, not some, just one, or, and go to sensors, bring touching color, duplicate this, just make it look like this one. And instead of this purple color, we need the white one and the red one. Oh sorry, that was my mistake. Yeah, perfect. For here also, not just, yeah, okay. Then if the car touches these barriers, we need to lower the car's speed. So go to variables, set speed is equal to 0.5. Okay. Then else set the speed car of speed is equal to 2. Let's just try this one. Yeah, okay. Yeah, when we touch the barriers, it slows down, the car slows down. Yeah, that's how it works. Yeah, cool. Then we need to add the code for this piece and the these sprites colliders. So just let's move on to it. Before that, yeah, we need to add a couple of codes to this car sprite only. Just somewhat, and go to events. When backdrop switches to track 1, the car must stay at this position. So go to loops and bring this one, go to X and Y, and also this point in direction, make it 0. Okay, and just come here and switch the track to 2. I think it's track 2. Yeah, it's the track 2. Yeah, okay. Then go to car, just duplicate this, just stop the game. When backdrop switches to track 2, the car must stay here, and the point of direction is equal to reverse 180. Yeah, okay. And here instead of -179, we need to add positive 179 and both positive 88. Okay. Then we need to add the code for track 3 also. Just go to car and duplicate this. For that, the car must spawn here. Yeah, here. Just go to here and change the position to 0, and this one just remove and add this here. Yeah, cool. Don't forget to change the track 3 to F4. And when space pressed, the background and the collider trees, the track system must change. So let me show you how to make that. Just go to events, then bring this one when space pressed, and go to logs, bring this one, next backdrop, switch paste it here, and switch it backdrop to, we have 3 backdrops, track 1, track 2, track 3, and yeah, go to operators, bring pick random 1 2, we need 1 2 3. Yes. Yeah, we have 3 1, that's why. Okay, let's just test if this works. Yeah, it works perfectly. Okay, let's try another one. Yeah, the colliders and trees look are perfectly arranged. So let's give code for collider and tree. Just come up here, collider, and we need the same code for collider and trees. Just go to events, then backdrop switches to track 1. Just go to logs, switch costume to costume 1, duplicate this, and again duplicate this, and change here to track 2 and costume 2, track 3, costume 3, and same need for this trees also. Just drag for that, right, and look for some changes in here. You must need to change this costume here. Yeah, then it works perfectly. Just press space. Yeah, this is how the tracks look like. And we need to give the code for the collider. Let me show you how it happens now. Yeah, it makes sense here, but we need when the car touches to this collider, the car must stop there. So let me guess how to make that. Yeah, just stop this, go to car, then we need to add some couple of codes. When flag triggered, forever if touching collider, set speed to 0. Let's just test that. Yeah, the speed, as you know, the speed decreases. Yeah, the collider works perfectly. Also for this one. Yeah, okay, perfect. And here you made the perfect car racing game, and I think this game looks nice though. And if you are making, you can make any changes in the tracks and all. Yeah, you can just ask in the comments of that assets project. I will just share that, or you can ask me in this video comments. I will just send you the link of the assets. You can make your own custom tracks and all. Also, you can choose your own cars. I just added these 5 cars. But you just forget to change the car color. So I'm just adding, yeah. When we press 1, 2 like that, the car changes. Okay. When flag clicked, forever if key 1 pressed, change costume to car black one, car green one. Just duplicate this from here, here, duplicate this here. There are 4 types. Then here just 2, 3, and finally 4. Change here red, blue, black. Yeah, this is the code for the car, and here is the code for the collider, and here is the code for trees, and now it works perfectly. Yeah, when we click 1, the car color changes to green, 2 red, 3 blue color car, 4 black color car. So just try blue. Yeah, if you have any ideas to implementing this game, you can just say me in the comments or in the scratch project. I will just publish this, so you can say it there. And that's how it works. You can get the assets of making this game in my scratch account. I will give the link in the description. And that's it for today's content. I hope the video finds you well, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. We are near to 500 subscribers, 4 to 500 subscribers. I know some of you already started these schools and all, and that's it I have to say to you guys. And you can say if you have any ideas implementing this game or implementing the idea, or you can just say anything making this game more realistic and all. And that's it. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.